Hi, everyone. This is Bob Cook, General Manager of IT Professional Services with Mechdyne Corporation. Today I'm here with Arturo. Arturo runs many of our managed services audiovisual support contracts. And I think as a lot of people might have a question, well, what does that exactly mean? What is an audiovisual managed services contract? Arturo, maybe you can talk a little bit about some of the features and services that we bring to the table when we do this for our clients.
All right. So yeah, some of the services that we provide as an AV managed uh, service here for most of our clients, we provide incident management, which involves mostly break fix issues. Um, we try to reduce the amount of reactive incidents by being proactive. As a team, we want to find issues before they affect our customers and account in a time consumption during their meetings. We also provide our request management, which is involves some more customer or end user training, such as providing how-to guides, how to do some simple tasks like connecting your laptop to the display, as well as providing our concierge support, where we actually go into the room and help our customers set up their meetings and make sure that they're off and running without any issues. Um, we do a preventative maintenance, which allows us to go in and proactively check all of our AV rooms and AV equipment. We check everything from the condition of the cables to the audio video components, making sure we have quality audio, quality video coming in, as well as updating firmware on any equipment that we are responsible for. We do data analytics. We're very big on finding out, what trends we're seeing across all of our rooms, all of our equipment, and proactively taking steps to mitigate those issues. And then we use that to report back to the customer and provide some consultation um, on maybe end of life equipment that's coming up and what we can do to make sure that we are tackling those issues ahead of time. We do a lot of asset management. So not only do we support the equipment that's in the room, we also track everything from inventory to deployment to surplusing. So we do a lot of that for our customers where we handle all of that and just takes one less item off their plate. And then we have our audiovisual support center, which is our first line of defense. Essentially, we have highly trained technicians that do remote troubleshooting. And the goal there is to get the customer up and running over the phone within 1 to 2 minutes versus having them wait 10 to 15 minutes or even longer for somebody to go to the room or go on site, which could take maybe up to a day or two. So we try to get those issues resolved ahead of time. And then one of the last things that we do is event support. We do a lot of production work with big events, town hall events, camera work, and microphone audio.
Arturo, that is so wildly interesting. It takes it well beyond the idea of one of us sitting at our desktop in our office or in our home on a Teams meeting to the magnitude of the value that can be brought through this. You're doing troubleshooting for sure to get people back to work, but you're also providing some root cause analysis. You're doing proactive. Who would have thought you could be proactive in preventing the problems to come? And that's what you do with your room checks and things like that. The magnitude of the influence you have, you think about handling a large meeting for people on an international basis and getting that meeting room up and running and keeping it up and running. The cost sometimes of the number of people and the titles of the people in those rooms is significant. We would love to talk to you more about our audiovisual managed services programs. Please look us up at www.mechdyne.com and connect with us, and we would be happy to have a chat with you. This is Bob Cook with Mechdyne. Thanks for listening today.